Awesome people, welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So I've got some good tips from Oppenheimer Ranch project on gardening. The starters, a lot of people take them out, put them in the garden when they get them from the store, and they don't do so well. Some of them do, but what he suggests is day one, take your starters outside and let them get acclimated to the wind and to the sun or whatever the weather is. Day two, 2 hours. Day three, 3 hours. Day 5 or 6, plant them. So the starters came out for the last 2 days. Tonight is the last of the cold nights. So I'm going to take some of the winter crops, cabbage, onion, garlic, such. I might put some in the ground tomorrow. But Tuesday, it's game on for the garden. I thought it was the 6th was going to be the last cold night, but it was the 26th. I went back and I double checked. So that's over. So another tip, more tips that he had, things that grow good together. Melons and marigolds, they help with beneficial nutrients in the ground. Roses and garlic, tomatoes and cabbage, cucumbers. I can't read my own writing. Nasturtiums, I think that's a flower. Corn and beans. And if you want to call it the three sisters, corn, beans, and squash. And peppers, amaranth, lettuce, and tall flowers. Cabbage and dill, radish and spinach, potatoes and sweet alyssum. I think that's a flower also. Cauliflower and dwarf zinnias. And then collard and catnip. So I got to find out what I've planted or what I bought so far. The greenhouses aren't going to open up till like the 15th here in Lower Michigan, and I'll probably spend another $200 on that. Most of the side yard over here is going to be no-till garden and right on top of the lawn. So I got that tip from the Fit Farmer. How to start your garden right over the grass. It's really simple. Too easy. So I'll be working on something like that. And short and sweet. And you have a blessed sunshiny day. Look, no chemtrails, no airplane trails, nothing. Get some beautiful birds up there though. And you have a nice solar day.